Hello, my name is Marilyn Bachecorenas. I am 20 years old. I am a student at the University of UNAD. I am belong to degree program of foreign languages with emphasis in English. I will now tell you about the main objectives teaching English. The main topics discussed in lecture called or goals for teaching of culture by Karam 2017 are all as follow. 1. I understanding cultural condition and behavior. 1. The goals of teaching culture is to help students understand that the people for different cultures exhibit behavior that are influencing their cultural backgrounds. 2. Awareness of social variables and other goals in to make students aware that the social variables such as gay, social class and place in the residence can influence how people behave in a gay culture. 3. And understanding conventional behavior studies are encouraged to become more aware conventional behaviors in common situations within the target culture. This means understanding how people is that culture typically behave in various everyday situations. 4. Cultural connotation of languages. The teaching of culture also aims to increase students' awareness of the cultural connotations of foreign in the target languages. This helps students understand the nuances and cultural context behind languages used. 5. Evaluating and refining generalization. Students should develop the ability to evaluate and refine generalization about the target culture. This involves critical assessing stereotypes or preconceived notions about a culture. 6. Information gathering skill. Another goal is develop the necessary skill for a student to locate and organize information about the target culture. This includes research skill in the 7. Stimulating curiosity. Lastly, the teaching of culture aims to stimulate students' intellectual curiosity about the target culture. This encourages students to take deeper interest in understanding and learning about other cultures. In addition to these goals, there a super goal proposed by Science 1993, which is the overarching objective of teaching culture. Cultural understanding, attitudes, and performance skills. These super goals emphasizes that all students should develop the cultural understanding, attitudes, and performance skills necessary to function appropriately within a segment of another society and communicate effectively with people socialized in that culture. Einstein 1788 also adds that when cultural understanding is good, students not only learn about the foreign culture, also becomes more aware of their own culture and more knowledgeable about cultural patterns and behavior in communication. They learn to navigate cultural expectations and norms. CLC in 1993 14 breaks down the larger goals into 6 international goals. This goal focus in helping students develop an interest. They understand how, does, what, where, when, and why the target culture. Additionally, students are encouraged to become more sophisticated and evaluating statements about the culture and skipping further information about you. In conclusion, the main topic discussed in goals for teaching of culture revolve around developing studying cultural awareness in understanding and skill necessary for effective cross-cultural communication and interaction, will also posteriori curiosity and critical thinking about different cultures. That's all. Thank you so much. Bye bye.